If you are setting up your home garage, you have probably stared at the tool aisle wondering whether to buy a 1/4 inch, 3/8, or 1/2 inch impact wrench. Let us break down exactly what each of these drive sizes is actually used for, so you do not waste your money on the wrong one. Starting with the 1/4 inch drive, this is your detail and interior tool. It is perfect for underdash work, taking off plastic skid plates and removing small 10mm bolts. The 1/4 inch has very low torque, which is exactly what you want when working with fragile fasteners that would instantly snap if you used a bigger power tool. Moving up, the 3/8 drive is the undisputed sweet spot for the DIY home mechanic. If you can only afford one impact wrench right now, this is the one you want to buy. The 3/8 is compact enough to fit into tight engine bays, but it packs enough punch to handle about 80% of the jobs on a typical American car or truck. You will use the 3/8 for brake calipers, water pumps, exhaust clamps, and general engine teardowns. It is the perfect balance of size and power. Finally, we have the heavy-hitting 1/2 inch drive. This is the big gun, designed specifically for heavy suspension parts, rusted axle nuts, and taking off stubborn lug nuts. You do not want to use a 1/2 inch impact under the hood unless you want to shear bolt heads clean off the engine block. It is purely for the heavy, stubborn metal. So, start with a 3/8 drive for your everyday wrenching. Add a 1/2 inch later when you tackle heavy suspension jobs, and grab a 1/4 inch last for the delicate interior work.